Good morning, guys. We are on our way to Fremantle to hop on a boat to this island just off the coast of the city of Perth, Rottnest Island. I thought that we'd have to venture further into the island to see some quokkas, but walking down the main street, we've got three not so little, actually surprisingly big guys. And we are on our bikes. I've got my flippers and I've also got my snorkeling gear as well because there are 63 beaches. So it's gonna be impossible to hit up every single one of those beaches in one day, but we'll do the best we can. I was down the hill and then Ling calls me, and what happened?
A tree came out.
Wish I knew more about bikes. Unfortunately, I don't. Pedal and flipper, they're gonna come be here. They're gonna come here with a replacement bike. All right, we just gotta wait 20 minutes for them. All right, rescue. See, these are things you just kind of have to anticipate when you're on Rottnest. Like how I said, there's just not enough time to do everything. You have to factor in things like this happening. With us having to be on the boat 3:45, it really leaves you with not that much time. But right now it's 11, so you've got like 4 hours left.
Thanks for coming. That's alright. What was yeah, so it's just the chain keeper.
All right.
Have a good day, guys.
You
Thank
too.
you so much.
We're back in business. Hi.
Bye.
So better bike.
Yeah.
Ling's bike broke down, but she swapped it for a better bike. Little hilly, couple hills, nothing we can't handle. And then there's a hill, there's a bloody hill. I curse those people on the e-scooters. Damn you and your no pedaling technology. Those guys on the e-scooters make it look so easy. Not even breaking a sweat. Smiling. There's nothing to smile about on these uphills. Just blood, sweat, and tears. But look at that view though. Wow. QUOKKA? We did all of that and now we're here. Let's go. Here where we turn?
So I stupidly had my mouth open.
Did you eat a fly?
Can I have some water?
Ling had her mouth open, she ate a fly. Did you gag?
I was like,
Circling back around, heading towards the lighthouse now. Too easy, no hands. Just the flies that are really annoying. If you don't want a bike, that's also an option. As you can see, there's bus stops spread out all along, so you can just hop on and hop off as you wish. Yet another spectacular cove here on Rottnest Island. Yeah, I just want to see what's there. There's a lot of red bikes. Oh, you lose traction.
these flies, they're so annoying.
All right, we're at another snorkel spot, Green Island.
Yeah.
Into the water we go. plenty more to see. And off we go. On the road again. Let's go. There's a sexy lighthouse. But first, we gotta bike uphill. Jeez, my thighs. Oh, I feel it in my quads. Don't wanna cramp up. Should really hydrate. You got this. Woo! You did it. Oh, good job. Wait for Ling. This is Fairbridge Bluff. They weren't kidding when they said there were 63 beaches here. You know, you bike for a couple Ks, there's always a beach. I honked my horn at him. My note is higher than Ling's. What's your note, Ling? Wow. Okay, this is Salmon Bay. I think we're gonna break for lunch here. It's about... Oh. Oh boy.
I am depleted.
My quads are on fire.
Yeah, I read somewhere that they were like, oh yeah, biking is pretty easy because, you know, it's relatively flat. What the f are you talking about, the same island?
But I mean, for every uphill, there's a downhill, so you just have to use your momentum wisely. But I need the sodium. I'm feeling a little crampy in my quads, so yeah, I can't cramp up. It's like he thought it was food or something. He just came running out. We didn't even see him. Boy.
Who's your new friend, love?
Who smells the food? That's why.
Oh my god, you're so cute! I'll pretend that I'm gonna feed you, but I really won't. It's just a bribe.
Yeah, I was awesome. Had a little lunch mate hanging out with us, the old QUOKKA. He's like a celebrity. Everyone wanted to take selfies and videos with him. Ling's done with biking. She wants to hop on the bus.
I'm so over biking.
Holy Jesus, I damn near wiped out. I was coming down the hill full speed, and then as I'm reaching the bottom of the hill, I just see this brown thing slithering across the road right in front of me. And I was just seconds away from running over this brown snake. Ugh. So I just kind of shimmied with the steering and managed to get around it. Got a little hairy though. Freaking hell, man. That was, I just had to dodge it at the last second. Nearly crashed the bike. The snake's okay. I'm okay. We can keep going. I like how the QUOKKA was just cutting through the middle. All right, guys, we made it back to the settlement. That last stretch, 7 Ks, smashed it. Nearly hit a snake, going like 50, 60 Ks. And look, now there's some QUOKKAs in town. ice cream. I'm trying to bribe the old QUOKKAs. This ice cream tastes fantastic. After doing all that biking, I think we did about 20 Ks. This Jay just flew right by. Kind of had to rush through things, had to pick and choose what to do. One day is just not enough because you got to get on the boat at 4 and they board at 1:45, so doesn't really leave much time. Looking forward to a beer in Frio though. Here we go. Bye QUOKKAs. Bye. Here we go upstairs.
Oh no.
Oh, my knees. I'm sore all over.